an idea.
Dudes, welcome back to another unofficial episode, kind of like a crossover deal. Usually the plan is, the future plan is Nick's drift shop. He's gonna do the talking because it's his shop, gonna do his thing. We're gonna have a nice little format for this, but we're still kind of working out, ironing it out, see like how exactly we're gonna do it. So for right now, I'll just keep talking to you and keep you up to pace because Buddy's outside trying to find parts and source out things, and we got a little bit of a problem here, but we're gonna solve it because he's got somebody on the line that knows this stuff. So check it out. This is what we're up against. So right here, look at this thing, the basket case. It's a BMW, I think it's an E30 with a 5-liter Mustang engine, and not even a new one. Poor Nick's got to deal with this thing. It's from like an '89 Mustang, so he got the project sort of half combo, almost started, almost kind of like somewhere, but they left all the hardest part for the poor guy. So he's got to deal with wiring and vacuum lines and all this kind of weird stuff. I mean, there's sensors in this car that doesn't make sense. And so right now we're trying to set up the painless wiring and trying to get it to work right. There's a bit of an issue with the fuel pump. It's not getting power. And with no fuel pump power, no fuel to the engine. So we've got it turning over. Everything's hooked up, everything should be good, but with no fuel, it won't start. And if it won't start, well, we can't really check out if everything's working good. And to make it even better, this car's gotta be out of here today. Should have been last night, it's gonna be today. Last night, we were working in the shop. We were here easily till 11:30, midnight, something like that. So today, bright and early, back at it again. Woo. Welcome to Nick's Drift Shop.
Yeah, so I just got a part because we're now shipping internationally. We're shipping this big disco potato to the Netherlands through our website. Oh, this one's got a sticker in it. It's already packaged for shipping. Yeah. Now checking everything's in it. There's a new back. There's a sticker in it. We're gonna put a shop sticker in it too. So somebody's gonna get Nick's Drift Shop on their car in the Netherlands. We have a wastegate too, which I can't open because it's taped up. That's it.
Windows don't go up? Oh no! Okay, so what are we doing? Pushing this outside? Bringing in an S14?
Maybe they do go up. Putting the hood on, pushing outside.
Okay.
Well, we gotta put the hood on, I think. Just shut it like that.
Okay.
Clear. I'm gonna get out of the way on that side and before you get so I can do those stables and all that thing.
Beamer 240 time. S14.
Oh, the brakes on that. Brakes are awesome. Oh, I want the 240 back now. He's got to go over like that. Who swam? Is it? Oh, look! Tire dust! Come on. It's a drift car.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet. This guy needs space with the front. Well, he still has the crank, the stock crank.
Ooh. Peppermint.
Choice?
Falcon USA SR20.
Yeah. Yeah, Falcon USA. So
What's the game plan, boss?
chopping the knuckles up, an inch added on the table and on the tables in the front. Welded diff, bucket seat. Bro, he's got some kind of computer in there. It's pretty solid. How much you paid for that? You just bought this, he said. I don't even know his name.
It's been played with because the drain bolt on it's clean, so it's been off.
Oh, it's got bushing. Yeah, urethane bushing.
It's got some tine suspension or tane or whatever.
Bro, everything's painted.
Good, good. So, camera can't see too much, but it is safe to say that this car is being set up for drift.
Yeah.
And that is why it's here.
Yeah. Okay, I was like, no, what are you gonna do?
Is the science teacher.
Oh shit. Wait, okay. That one is good looking, bro.
Right here.
Oh, that one is good looking, bro.